Hello everyone, my name is Harmila with name 152305535. Computer. A computer is an electronic device in which there is a series of various components that are connected to each other and form a working system. The components contained in a computer are divided into three groups, namely input, process, and output. The following is the explanation. Input component. The input component is a hardware component that is responsible for providing text command that will later be given to the computer. Process component. The process component is a component that has the task of processing a command given by brainware so that is it is then displayed on the computer. Output component. The output component is the component that is responsible for displaying information from a command that has been processed by the computer. Hardware. Hardware, or what is better known as hardware, is a type of component on a computer whose physical parts can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt directly, so it can be said then hardware is physical computer equipment that is useful for carrying out input processing and output processes. Some of them include RAM, CPU, mouse, keyboard, scanner, monitor, printer, and many more. Apart from that, hardware is generally also seen as a form of output from each process of a computer's operating system. However, to support the work of this device, certain software is still accurate that say every discrete command can operate properly. Assured how to easily download, select, share files, and comment without logging in. What are the functions of computer hardware? Understanding hardware function types, specification, and examples of hardware. The device itself. The main function of hardware here includes many things such as displaying and receiving process input, providing output, supporting computer work, and processing information that both inside and outside the computer form the general hardware function above. Below is a complete explanation. This means several types of hardware that have the function of processing data and or information to process that and carry out processes on the computer system. Examples of process devices are CPU, RAM, VGA, and so on. Receive output, namely have hardware the has a physical function in receiving input from the user the way later the hardware will process it into new information that received from input can be transferred to the output. Give us output in when it has been processed, the hardware will provide output again to the user. L output can be seen by the user displayed on special hardware. This machine what what influencer each other between output and input. Storing information and date. In this case, you can save L, the output produces by the computer on the computer. Secondary strong device is strong can be done not only on the face installed inside the computer but also on the face installed outside. These are some of the function of computer hardware. Thank you. Bye bye.